Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got the Holland Barrett advent calendar to share with you. It costs £50. It's on sale now. It has a value of £232 and it contains 18 full sizes. As always, if you're interested in purchasing this for yourself, you find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So this is a little bit of a different kind of advent calendar. I'm going to be unboxing it on my bed. All the products are packed up like little parcels, so I'll film this a little bit differently, but you'll get to see everything in detail. So yeah, so hope you enjoy watching. So this is what it looks like. Day number 1. We've got Antipodes. This is Flora Probiotic Skin Rescue Hyaluronic Mask. Reduce redness and reclaim healthy skin with this luxuriously soothing mask, suitable for sensitive skin that is often stressed or irritated. Day number 2. We've got Cetaphil. This is a gentle skin cleanser for normal to dry sensitive skin. Hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture. Day number 3. We've got Wild Amber and Oud Soap Bar. One bar produces 50 washes, so 2 plastic bottles are saved. We've got our soap there from Wild. Day number 4. I'm filming with 2 cameras at the minute, so I'm having to do this all one-handed because my stand is broken. But anyway, we have got Fussy. This is coconut milk with coconut, almond and vanilla. This is a little deodorant, natural deodorant stick. The smell is really gorgeous, really, really nice. So that's a nice little travel size there. Day number 5. We've got Holland Barrett High Strength Hyaluronic Acid. There's 15 micrograms of vitamin C to support your skin, and there's 30 tablets there. Day number 6. We've got a hyaluronic acid facial serum by Q&A. This molecule is a moisture binding ingredient that helps keep skin plump and hydrated. Day number 7. We got Weleda Skin Food. Rich, intensive skincare for very dry and rough skin. This is a really, really gorgeous moisturizer. It's amazing on my super dry legs. Yeah, really, really good. And there is 30 mils there. Day number 8. We have Vitaskin Vitamin C Lifting Eye Cream. There's 15 mils here and it contains kiwi seed oil and sea blackthorn oil. Day number 9. We have a night cream by UpCircle with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, plus pro retinol and rosehip oil to moisturize and protect, and there's 55 mils there. Day number 10. We have a gentle cleansing facial wash by Sea Magic, a natural foaming wash blending dead sea salt, tea tree oil, aloe vera and organic seaweed, and there's 150 mils there. Day number 11. We have a Dr. Pawpaw overnight lip mask with natural pawpaw and peptides to soften, smooth and plump your lips while you sleep. Day number 12. We have a pack of 7 cleansing pads by So Eco. Day number 13. We have Q&A AHA exfoliator, so body scrub with golden vanilla and a coconut scent, and there is 50 mils there. 14. We have Holland Barrett own brand biotin hair supplement, and there is 30 tablets there. Day number 15. We have a Faith in Nature coconut and shea butter shampoo bar, and this is for normal to dry hair. Day number 16. This is a Detox Dynamo Clarifying Shampoo by Naughty, 97% natural, and it's for all hair types, and there's 50 mils. Day 18. We've got an EcoDenta certified organic anti-plaque toothpaste with coconut oil, which whitens teeth, prevents from tartar, and refreshes breath. Day 17. We have a So Eco scalp massaging brush. This is what it looks like. Day 19. We have Salt of the Earth, 100% natural origin, ocean and coconut scented deodorant spray that is also refillable, and there's 100 mils there. Day number 20. We have Super Facialist Vitamin C Brightening Skin Renew Cleansing Oil with olive and grapeseed oils. It's Super Glow, 100 mils there. So it's a cleansing oil. Day 21. Stimulating hair mask. There's 300 mils here, and it's by Faith in Nature. 22. We have Dr. Organic Rose Otto Day Cream. This is for mature skins to rejuvenate and restore, and there's 50 mils there. Day 23, we have Dr. Organic's Skin Calm Probiotic Concentrated Cream. This is for dry, stressed and problem skin to protect and nourish, and there's 50 ml there. Day 24, we have Trilogy All-in-One Vitamin C Super Serum. It contains 10% vitamin C, 2% Nova Retin, which is a collagen alternative, vegan peptides and ceramide NP, and there's 5 ml there. And then lastly, day number 25, we've got Nature Spell Natural Rosemary Oil. It's a pre-diluted treatment oil for hair and body and for all skin types. And there's 50 ml here.